Namaste. The word Bhramar means bee. The practitioner imitates the same deep, low-pitched humming sound as that of the black bee. You can either just hum or chant Om. Om is primordial sound used in Nada Yoga to awaken awareness of the inner psychic sounds. The vibration of the humming sound creates a soothing effect on the mind and nervous system, relieving cerebral tension, stress, anxiety, insomnia, and is also helpful in pregnancy and childbirth. It speeds up the healing of body tissue, and post-operative patients benefit greatly. Sit in a comfortable meditation posture, with the hands resting on the knees in either Chin or Jnana Mudra. Keep the head and spine straight. Raise the arms sideways and bend the elbows, bringing the hands to the ears. Use the thumb to close the flaps of the ears and cover eyes with fingers. Bring the awareness to the center of the head, where Ajna chakra is located, and keep the body absolutely still. Inhale through the nose. While exhaling slowly in a controlled manner, produce a deep, steady Om sound. Be aware of the continuous sound within the head. The sound should be smooth and even for the duration of the exhalation. You should feel the front of the skull reverberate. Inhale. Inhale. Now rub your palms together, and place them on your face for a few seconds, keeping the eyes closed. Practice 11 rounds and gradually increase to 21. Please read below for detailed benefits and contribra indications.